All right, guys, we're going to continue this right where we left off with 1-4. And 1-4 is unhiding worksheets. So you'll notice on your actual worksheet what they want us to do here. I don't know if your actual worksheet tab is going to be hidden or not, but we have a worksheet tab at the bottom called By Product Customers. If it's not hidden, because I think we unhid it already, just kind of right click and say hide or unhide. If you're unhiding a tab, you can right click on any tab that you want to, and you can say hide or unhide. If I want to hide, let's say I want to hide by product customer, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to say hide, and then I can kind of choose any tab I want to unhide it. When you say unhide, it's going to show you your hidden tabs and just say okay, and it's going to pop it in right there, by product customer, and it should look like this. All right, change the view to page layout. Select the byproduct worksheet and change to normal view. Select byproduct worksheet view tab normal. So byproduct worksheet view tab, and they want normal view, which we're already in. I think by default, I think it was going to be in this one because I think we left off yesterday with putting a header or a footer in our document, and when you jump into inserting header footer, it changes you to the page layout view. So go ahead and change it back to normal view. Okay. Modify document properties, add the word Lorenzo Walker Technical High School to company name. So this isn't any different than Word and PowerPoint. When you think of the word properties, I want you to think file tab right hand side, and they want us to add something I've already forgotten. It's too early. Lorenzo Walker Technical High School to the company name. All right, so right here, Lorenzo Walker Technical High School, and then just click off anywhere to save it. All right. Display formulas. Click on the product list worksheet, click on the formula tab, and under formulas auditing group say show formulas. Okay, product list worksheet. We're going to go back here. Product list worksheet under the formulas tab here. You'll see show formulas right here. So go ahead and click on show formulas. All right. And let's see what else we got to do here. So you'll notice with the show formulas, when you press it, your document kind of changes a little bit. And any formulas that you did have entered, you can now clearly see them in the cells when you hit show formulas. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice they have this grand total, 4,644. And if you hit show formulas, you'll actually see the formula that they used, some formula they used to get that total. Okay, so that's what show formulas does for you. All right, and that's it for 1-4. All right, set print area. On the by product worksheet, set the print area of A6 to D7. A6 to D7 on the by product worksheet, A6 to D7. There. Under the page layout tab, you're going to see print area right here, and you're going to say set print area. All right, what this does for you, if you actually went to file print now, you'd actually see that it would just print that little snippet of what you just said to print. All right, instead of printing the whole worksheet, it would just print exactly what you selected. All right, set all or parts of a workbook. This is about printing. Make a worksheet fit the printed page. On employee worksheet, make the worksheet fit the printed page and change the orientation to landscape. On the employee worksheet. So file, print. Here we're going to say landscape orientation. Here we're going to say, what do they want us to do? Fit printed page and change scaling, file, print, scaling, fit on one page. So right here, you'll see fit on one page. Boom. Okay, and it's definitely going to shrink your text. Sometimes it shrinks it too much to where you can't even read it. But that's kind of what they want you to do here. Landscape orientation, fit to one page. All right, and don't hit print. Just go ahead and go back. And let's see what else we have to do. Display repeating rows, columns, tiles on multi-page worksheets. On the product list worksheet, have row 1 display on multi-page worksheet. So click on the product list worksheet. Where's product list? Product list worksheet right here. okay? Click on the Page Layout tab under the Print Setup group, Print Titles, select Sheet. Under the Page Layout tab, Print Titles, select Sheet, which we're already on, okay? Click on Rows to Repeat at the top, and then click on the range, and then select Rows 1 right here. So it just wants us to repeat row 1, like that, and then say OK. All right, and that's the entire objective 1, guys. So nothing real tricky in there. A lot of it is just like your Microsoft Word lessons. All right, so practice that stuff. It's definitely going to be on your test. You're definitely going to see all that stuff. And when we come back here, we're going to go through objective 2, managing data cells and ranges. All right, so this is the end of objective 1, which means you should be turning this in.